So it's a metal auger, and does it expand like a
So it's the size of the pipe, and
Yeah.
the rod moves in the circular motion.
Oh, okay. So this is a new rig. This what is a Ford you're driving? And they didn't give you the new light bar, so you have the old, or actually the old Waylands, right?
The other ones we have like a board.
Yeah. And then your controller, what does your controller look like?
It's down here somewhere.
Somebody. Yeah, turn this thing on. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, check this out. So this is LA City Department of Sanitation, guys, and this is their new light bars. It's a pretty new truck. Yeah, I mean, it looks like an older rig or older light bar for a new rig. But right now, what do you guys call this? It's just preventative maintenance, right? Oh, I'm. So this is the auger that they're doing, guys. This is just prevented. He says he does this every 6 months, and he's worried about because these trees. We have all these pine trees up here, and all their roots get into the sewer system. This is what you're doing. And they have different trucks. All right, you can see now they pulled out the that little device that goes down. Like I said, the sewer line's only 8 inches. How fun is this? All righty, see you later.